Hello and welcome to the Fielders Flashings training video. We're going to walk you through the Fielders range and application of flashings, all made with 100% Australian steel. Let's get going. Flashings are strips of metal that are formed and installed to weatherproof the edges of roofing and walling. Fielders flashings are made to work with our range of building products, providing a solid barrier or covering joints where water might sneak into the structure. Flashings are an important part of any cladding design. They help keep water out and also have a big impact on how the building looks. You can get our flashings in COLORBOND steel, Zincalume steel, galvanised or aluminium materials. Sometimes you'll hear them called capping or trimming. When you're talking about flashing, here's some of the jargon you'll need. The width or girth of a flashing is the measurement of the flat metal sheet before bending. Bends are the folds made during the machining process to create the flashing profile. A crush fold is formed by folding the material back on itself and crushing it to create a safe edge. The colour side of a flashing refers to the side that will be visible once installed. A bird's beak, or V-bead, is a stiffening fold that provides extra strength to the flat surface of the flashing. The machined bends, or folds in a flashing, can be created at different angles, including obtuse, acute, or 90 degrees. Feather breaks are slight folds in the material created at minimal angles. A flashing installed on a wall sheet is often referred to as a trim. Capping is used to cover the ends of a junction of a building element or sheeting, such as a parapet capping. Fielders flashings come in all sorts of shapes and are installed in different areas of a building. Let's take a quick look at some of the most common ones. Ridge or hip capping is installed along the upper joints of a roof structure, where two roof planes meet. An apron is installed along a wall and on top of the roof cladding to prevent water and pollutants from entering the structure. A valley gutter is a flashing put where two opposing roof planes meet. It catches water and diverts it to the main gutter system. Barge capping gives a neat finish to the ends of sheeting at gable ends and mono-pitched roofs. Box gutters are usually hidden gutter systems put behind a parapet or between two roof planes, catching roof water runoff and diverting it to the main gutter system. Parapet capping stops rain from entering a building through the top of a parapet wall. Corner flashing is installed at the corners of all wall sheets. Tapered flashings have different dimensions at each end. Curved flashings are specially made to fit bullnose roofing and other curved cladding use cases. When placing an order for flashing, it's important to get all the details right. Here's what you'll need to note down. 1. Profile type. Check the Fielders price book or standard flashing drawings for codes. 2. Material finish. What's the flashing made from? Is it COLORBOND steel, Zincalume steel, or something else? 3. Colour side. Make sure you specify which side needs to be coloured. 4. Dimensions. You'll need the exact measurements of all sides. 5. Angles. Record the angles for all bends. 6. Quantity and lengths. How many do you need? And how long are they? For custom orders, make sure to include the width or girth of the sheet and the number of bends. Don't forget, a crush fold counts as 2 bends. If you're unsure about anything, just give your Fielders rep a call. Sometimes custom orders for flashings will need to be arranged over the phone. When that happens, the clock method can help the customer service representative ensure all the requirements are captured. Here's how it works. 1. Grab your pencil and paper. 2. Draw a line representing the angle required at a certain length. For example, a 60-degree acute angle would be at 2 o'clock. 3. Write down the length at the midpoint of the line. 4. Then put your pencil at the end of the line and, imagining that spot as the centre of the clock, draw the next line using the same method. 5. Don't forget to mark the colour side of your diagram. Fielders also offer a range of extras to go with your flashings. These include Dectites, spear points, edge or gable roll, roll top barge cap, adjustable box cutter brackets, and box cutter support sheeting. For more information on product and colour availability, or if you need installation guides or advice, head over to the Fielders website or have a chat with your local rep. That's it. We've wrapped up our closer look at Fielders quality flashings. Thanks for joining us. If you can imagine it, you can do it with Fielders.